certainly believe that our responsibility to society where we live and work is very important. And I'm very, very proud of the work that our employees, our team here in India have done in truly contributing to society in a very meaningful way. You know, today we're here at a beautiful school that we helped enhance with classrooms, with other resources that we have contributed. It brings a lot of satisfaction in me, and I'm sure it does the same thing for our employees here in India.
The kind of work which has happened in the last few years in this area of our factory, which is related to either education or skill or health and sanitation, I think the work is really great. The first aim that we began with was that can we make at least the 10-kilometer area around this factory of ours an open defecation free. I think we are on the verge of building almost 1,000 toilets in a short period of time. I believe that we have so much more to give to this society.
It's a very humbling experience, as it usually is when we go out and really touch the lives and see the people that are around our, in this case, our factory.
The kind of work which has happened is sustainable and it can go on for many years to come.